Today on AFOL TV,
We're making a modern leather couch.
hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here at AFOL TV, we do LEGO YouTube tutorials and custom LEGO mocks. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. We're trying to grow this channel and we really appreciate everyone's support so far. We also offer downloadable instructions for a lot of our builds on our website, www.afolstore.com, and the link is in the description below.
So as mentioned in the opening, today we're doing a couch, and we're not going to do the plants in this tutorial. We actually already did a tutorial on modern house plants. I'm going to link it up above, so go ahead and check that out after this video if you'd like. But for this video, these are the parts and pieces you're going to need. So go ahead and pause it, grab those, come on back, and then let's start building.
And that's it. Hope you guys liked the build. We'd appreciate it if you'd like, share, and consider subscribing if you don't already. You can also follow us on Instagram and TikTok as @afol.tv. And again, you can download instructions for our other builds and part files on our site, www.afolstore.com. And lastly, if you have any suggestions on what we should build next, leave them in the comments below. Thanks again, and see you next week.